Yes, lahat po ng cards, please make sure to shuffle all of them po.
Ganito na lang. Kapag di ka marunong, ganito talaga yun. May paso naman. Alam mo yun. Okay na ba? Okay na to?
Yeah.
I think so. Okay. Okay. Ganun ko lang. Ano excel nito? Capacity, the disaster. Capacity, knowledge, disaster, and response. Capacity, knowledge, disaster, can move yung mga ganun na parang ano. Dito na. Para malinaw. Ay, ito na lang sa share.
Okay, okay, all good na po ba? Na-shuffle na po ba lahat ng cards? Okay, so now, let's start the game. So, makinig po muna lahat, okay? So, medyo confusing po on how to play MOD. So, it's very important for us na pakinggan po kung ano yung magiging instruction, okay? So, first, the Master of Disaster can be played by up to 6 players. So, maximum of players is 6, but minimum is 4, okay? Minimum number of players is 4 and maximum is 6. So, at the start of the game, each player will receive 4 heart tokens and 7 response cards. Okay? Again, 4 heart tokens and 7 response cards. So, you can give that naman na po ngayon para naka-ready na po siya later. So, that's the reason why I asked you all to shuffle the cards para lahat po pantay-pantay lang. Again, 4 response cards, 4 heart tokens, and 7 response cards.
4, 5, 6. 6, 7.
7 po, yes. 7 response cards and 4 heart tokens. So, heart tokens will serve as your life throughout the game. So, kailangan po pakiingatan yung mga heart tokens na hawak po ninyo, okay?
Okay, noted. So this is my life.
Mamaya po malalaman, paano po ba iingatan?
Yung ating buhay.
All good na po? 4 hearts and 7 response cards.
Okay.
Okay, so first, let's get to know the disaster cards and the disaster cell. Okay, makinig po. So for the disaster card, it contains real-world scenarios of natural and man-made disasters which a player must respond to. So again, once a player lands on that disaster cell, if you can see yung kulay red po yun na tile, so once a player lands on it, a player must draw 1 disaster card. Okay. So for our disasters, we have 7 types of disasters. So these are the most common disasters here in the Philippines. So we have earthquake, fire, flood, heat wave, pandemic, typhoon, and landslides. So before po actually this is an upgraded version of MOD. So before we only have 4 types of disasters, and now we added 3 more, which is yung heat wave, pandemic, and landslide, given na mas nagiging rampant siya. And we're very happy to share that for the first round of our MOD, of our upgraded MOD board game, it is for shared with our IBM volunteers. So kayo po yung unang nakaka-experience ng upgraded version of MOD version na to. So we're looking forward for you to enjoy it, okay? So again, we have 7 types of disasters. So once a player lands on a disaster cell, a player must draw 1 disaster card. So once a player draws a disaster card, the player must read yung description sa ilalim. So one thing that you need to take note of once you get a disaster card is yung classification niya. So the classification can be seen doon sa gilid ng mga symbols. So yung classification na yon, for example, for earthquake intensity, for fire is yung class, for flood ay yung ating levels, for heat wave, yung number extreme danger, for pandemic, kung anong phase na siya, for typhoon, anong signal na siya, then for landslide, anong alert level na siya. So again, you need to take note of the classification so you'll know how to respond to those disasters. So if you can see here, yung mga classifications na yon, mag-vary siya per disaster and kung ano yung number niya. So kung ano po yung number na makikita nyo dito, yun yung exact description niya sa ilalim. So for example, for earthquake intensity 4, moderately strong, yung description na nakalagay sa ilalim, yun yung exact na nangyayari during that earthquake intensity 4. So it's very important for us to read those descriptions so we'll know kung ano ba yung nangyayari during that intensity. Okay? So now, how do we respond to those disasters? Dun papasok yung response cards na hawak natin. So again, we have 7 response cards na hawak natin throughout the game. So how do you know if the response card that you are holding on to, yun yung appropriate response card for that disaster? So you can see the symbols indicated below. Kung nandun yung symbol ng disaster na hawak ninyo, pwede nyo siyang gamitin. So again, the reason why I need you to take a look doon sa ating mga classification because dapat tama yung magiging classification niya doon sa response card. So for example, if we have earthquake intensity 5 as the disaster card, yung response card na hawak nyo dapat ay may symbol of earthquake and pasok yung intensity 5 sa range. Okay? Kapag ang response card na hawak ninyo ay from intensity 6 to 10 lang, hindi siya pwedeng gamitin. Or kapag 1 to 4 lang. So kailangan, laging pasok sa range yung classification number of that disaster. Okay? Ito po, may catch dyan. Okay? So now, once you use a response card, kailangan nyo po siyang ibalik sa ilalim ng deck, then you'll get another one. So you'll have to replenish your response cards. So every time, kailangan 7 yung response card na hawak nyo. Okay? So hindi kayo mauubusan dapat ng response cards. So now this is how you use it. So for one disaster, we have 1 response card. Again, 1 disaster card, 1 response card lang po. Okay? So you get to choose kung ano yung best response card na pwede nyo gamitin for that disaster. So now we have the emergency disaster cell. So if you can see sa ating board yung parang may wang-wang na symbol. Can you see it? Okay, so now, what's the difference between a disaster cell and an emergency disaster cell? So once a player lands on a disaster cell, kung sino lang yung player na nag-land doon, siya lang yung magre-respond. So siya lang yung magbibigay ng response card. But when a player lands on an emergency disaster cell, everyone needs to respond because it's an emergency. Okay? Again, once a player lands sa disaster cell, which is yung red, kung sino lang yung nag-land doon, siya lang ang magbibigay ng response card. But once a player lands on an emergency disaster cell, kung sino yung nag-land doon, siya yung bubunot ng card, pero kailangan lahat kayo magbibigay ng response card. So ang question, what if one of those players walang response card for that type of disaster? So doon papasok yung bayanihan. Okay, so ang unang may chance na pag-save sa'yo is yung person on your left. Again, unang may chance. So for example, wala akong response card for earthquake intensity 3. So yung next person on my left, pwede niya akong tulungan if she has an extra response card. Again, just an extra. So kapag emergency disaster cell, kailangan i-save mo muna yung sarili mo bago mo i-save yung iba. Okay, so again, unang may chance lang. For any instance na yung first person on your left, walang response card for you, extra response card for you, pwede yung next sa left. Okay? So magiging paikot siya. So kahit sino sa kanila, basta may extra response card, they can use that to save you. Pero paano kapag lahat ng players walang extra response card to save you? Doon mababawasan ng heart token. Okay? So again, you only have 4 heart tokens, kaya as much as possible, kailangan may mag-save sa'yo. So ano naman yung catch noong person na nag-save sa'yo? So once you save a player, you'll gain a hero token. Kasi ibig sabihin, ikaw yung naging hero niya during that disaster. Okay? So as much as possible, kailangan maka-earn kayo ng hero token. Why? Kasi ang MOD, hindi siya paunahan na makarating sa finish line or sa save zone. So, ang matatawag nating Master of Disaster ay yung player na may pinakamaraming hero token. Okay? So again, hindi nyo pwedeng ipagdamot yung mga response card ninyo. So as much as possible, help other players. Okay? So again, ang goal ng MOD is paramihan ng hero token na mag-gain during the game. Okay? So now, let's move forward sa ating knowledge cards. So once a player lands sa ating knowledge cell, so yung knowledge cell natin is yung may symbol ng book. So ang catch naman dito sa ating knowledge cell, so once a player lands on a knowledge cell, ang bubunod ng card para sa kanya ay yung person sa left niya ulit. Again, always person sa left. Bakit? Kasi yung person sa left, yung magtatanong or mag-a-act para sa kanya. So once a player lands sa knowledge cell, kung sino yung nag-land doon, siya yung sasagot. And yung person sa left niya yung magtatanong or mag-a-act it out. So we have two types sa ating knowledge cards. We have Q&A and act it out. So for our Q&A, typical yes or no, multiple choice, and true or false questions. Pero for the act it out, kaya pagyanong ko kung may energy kayo kasi kailangan mag-acting. Okay? So charades type siya. So for our Q&A portion, for our act it out portion, you only have 1 minute to act it out. So for our knowledge cards, meron din naman tayo ditong mga rewards and consequences. So once a player answered correctly yung nasa ating knowledge cards, pwede siyang mag-gain ng another heart token. Okay? But pag mali yung naging sagot niya, you need to discard one response card. Okay? So for Q&A, kung sino lang yung player na sumagot, siya lang yung mababawasan ng heart token or madadagdagan ng heart token or mababawasan ng response card. Pero for act it out, kapag tama yung naging sagot, parehas kayong makakagain ng heart token. Pag mali, parehas kayong mababawasan ng response card. Okay? So, tulungan talaga siya. Okay? Yes.
Maximum ng 4 marks.
No po. If tama po yung naging sagot nyo, makakagain ka ng another. So, pwedeng maging 5, 6, 7 yung heart token.
And yung cards,
Response card.
at the maximum 7 ba?
Yes. Yung sa response card natin, ito po siya, we have the capacity cards. So for our capacity cards, previously it was called chance cards. So from the name itself, chance, it's either a good or a bad card. Pero now we have created these capacity cards na. So for these capacity cards, so yung mga capacity cards po na yun, it will either bring you luck or bad luck. Okay? Good luck or bad luck siya. So it depends kung ano yung card na makukuha ninyo. So may mga cards tayo dyan na will help you to move forward sa ating game, and meron tayong mga cards na magpapatigil sa inyo sa paglalaro. So it really depends kung ano yung makukuha nyong capacity card. So for example, we have this move 1 step forward, or you could also lose 2 turns. So sa question ni Sir, na maximum na ba yung 7 response cards? It will depend kapag may nakuha kang capacity card na magsasabi na yung gain another response card. Okay? So it will really depend on your luck kung ano yung makukuha ninyong capacity card. So hopefully, laging maganda yung capacity card na makukuha ninyo kasi kadalasan yung mga bad na capacity cards natin, medyo masakit siya. Okay, now we have the other cells in MOD. So first, if you could see the doors. So first door natin is yung in. So once a player lands on it, lalabas na siya sa out. Pero kapag nag-land siya sa out, no need to go back in. Okay? Stay lang siya doon sa out. One way lang. Then we also have the holes. So ang unang hole na madadaanan ninyo ay yung kalinya ng go zone. So that's the out hole. So, ang in hole natin ay makikita dun sa linya ng safe zone. So, once na mag-land ka dun sa in hole, babalik ka sa umpisa. Okay? So, hopefully, wala rin mapunta doon. Then, lastly, we also have our roll the dice. So, for the roll the dice, once the player lands on it, mag-roll ka lang ulit ng dice, and kung ano yung lumabas na number doon, yun yung magiging number of step forward or backward mo. Pero ang catch po doon, once a player lands doon sa panibagong cell na yon, no need na gawin yung nandun sa tile na yon. Kasi consequence lang yun ng pag-roll mo ng dice.
Okay.
Okay?
Oh, okay.
Then, now, how do we finish the game? So, we finish the game if all the players are already in the safe zone. Okay? So, as much as possible, dapat lahat ng players nasa safe zone na para maging safe naman kayo. Then, once you reach the safe zone, you'll gain another heart token. Okay? You'll gain another heart token once you reach the safe zone. So, now, how do we win the game? Again, katulad ng nabanggit ko kanina, you'll win the game or you can be the master of disaster kapag ikaw yung may pinakamaraming hero tokens. Pero at the end of the game, every 3 heart tokens could be converted into 1 hero token. Okay? So as much as possible, kapag may knowledge card kayo nakuha, dapat maging tama yung sagot ninyo so you can gain another heart token. Okay? Para at the end of the game, pwede nyo siyang magawa isang hero token. Okay? Are there any questions before we start the gameplay? Yes.
Sa disaster, isang response ng bibigyan.
Yes, for 1 disaster card, 1 response card lang din po yung gagamitin. Then all used cards, ibabalik lang po siya sa ilalim ng deck. Okay? For the response card, once you use a response card, pwede kayong makakuha ulit ng panibago. So in any cases, during an emergency disaster cell, kapag dalawa yung tinulungan ninyong player, dalawa rin yung makukuha yung hero token, then dalawa rin yung ma-replenish ng response card. Okay? Okay, gets po ba? We'll be there naman po to facilitate the game to help you get the hero token. So you'll get the hero token once you save another player. So yes, yun lang naman po. So kapag may player na walang response card, you can help that player if you have an extra response card. Okay? So we start the game. Kung sino po yung may pinakamataas na number sa pag-roll ng dice, siya yung first player, then pa-left. Okay? Pa-left po ulit siya. Again? So ready na po ba?
Yes!
Ready? Okay, so if everyone's ready, let's play Master of Disaster.
Then, from 6, gaganon na.
So, ako yung mauna. Ano yun? Mag-dice tayo.
Mag-dice na ba tayo? Wait lang. Nakapagtay ba tayo? Parang ang laro.
Oo nga.
Dito ka na lang. Dito na kami. We are ready. So, mauuna ka. Yes. Okay, let's do it.
Mataas.
5 lang. Siya na yung
So, from here, go mag-1, 2. And then, pass capacity. Lose 1, 3. Lose 1, 3 ba?
Ay, lose 1 turn.
So, hindi ko po kasama sa pag-roll din. Okay. So, ikikip ko to siya. Opo. Pwede nyo na siya ibalik after dito. Sa ilalim na lang.
Pero after malus ng turn.
Alalahanin nyo mamaya na lang. Wala siyang turn na. Ayun, aga.
So, everyone.
Lahat, read it out loud.
Earthquake intensity 10, completely devastating. All man-made structures are totally destroyed. Massive landslide and fallen trees occur.
So, fire, ito.
Intensity 10.
Everybody.
Ito. Intensity 10. Dapat may earthquake kayo, then 10.
Better i-read po yung mga response card po ninyo para alam niyo yung response ng bawat isa.
Sa akin, emergency supply kit.
Earthquake, no?
When outdoors, avoid walls, bridges, avoid.
Form the rescue team. Ano ito siya? Ito. If you find any seriously injured person, inform the rescue team. Do not rush and try to move them unless they are in danger. Pwede ko na.
Telephone number sa hotline. Emergency services. If you're in a car, stop the car. All good night until the
Kapag yung mga all good na,
Paano pag wala siya na
pwede kang magbigay.
Person on your left po, may extra response card po ba?
10. So meron siyang star.
Yes.
Indoors, they cover under study table or other furniture and hold on to the lens until shaking. There's
Kuha
no
siya
table.
ulit ng response.
So everyone po, pwede pong kumuha ng response card.
Kasi nabawa.
Ako pa din ako.
Yes po. Lahat po na may response, pwede po kumuha.
Okay.
Kuha siya. Ay, wala siya.
Wala.
Okay, game. Sino na? Fine. Thank you. Ano
Ate
ka?
ka ulit.
Ay, everybody. Extreme
Deep wave. Level 2.
33 to 42.
Natutunan na
Level
Ito
what?
po, yung
Level
ano,
2.
yung merong earth, then heaven.
Baba natin para makita na.
Keep an emergency kit ready. That includes oral rehydration. Wala ko nito. Oral. Sa akin po. Water bottle.
So if you see someone suffering from the heat, place the person in a shaded area, give water or hydrating drink, wipe their body with a damp cloth, consult a doctor.
See a doctor if you feel sick. Pareho tayo na.
Ito sa akin.
Plenty of water daw. Sa'yo din?
Vulnerable individuals such as
Children and
children, outdoor workers, the elderly, and pregnant women. Provide water to those in need. Pwede siya, no?
Sa akin naman po, if you are at school, follow the emergency plan or instructions of the person in charge.
Okay.
Tapos, lagay na naman siya sa ilalim.
Draw sa response.
Apo.
Ito, ilalim na naman.
Response.
May balik ka dito.
Ay, response pala.
Malit. Ano ba ito?
Two.
Ano ka? Kulay ka?
Orange.
There.
Ano siya?
Use the barricade to mark an open drainage in the community. It saved many lives. Thank you.
Hero.
Dito sa ilalim.
In 1 year. Here. Ayun, naka-secure here. Let's put that back. It's my turn. Please be kind. 3. E. Disaster.
So ikaw lang magre-respond.
Ba yun? Yellow rainfall warning 3. Ano ang rain?
Yung may
Ganyan. Ay, ito meron. Oh, sige, ano daw? 7.5 to 15 mm heavy rain observed in 1 hour and expected to continue in the next 2 hours. Flooding is possible. So I have a response. Dispose of any objects that Naginis ka pa? Bumabag yun ang warning 3. Ka, naglinis pa ako. Gusto ko yan. Next. Yan. Ano yun? Ano yun, Bo?
knowledge, magdodraw siya. Siya magbabasa sa'yo.
Ako ang magdodraw.
Tapos, you either act it out or you answer the
You either
question.
act it out or I will answer. Basta either ko.
Basa.
You will basa. Ikaw should answer. Basahin mo. Ano basahin na question?
Ako yung magtatanong.
Ikaw magtatanong ko sasagot.
Hindi ko ito babasahin.
Hindi, babasahin na po.
Sa akin. You answer. Tatagal ko ng heart mo. Huwag mo ipabasa sa kanya.
Multiple choice siya. A fire broke out in our high-rise building. What action should you take? Letter A. Use fire escape stairs. It's safe to do so. B. Use elevator to evacuate quickly. C. Stay in your apartment and wait for rescue. D. Open windows to let out smoke. A. A fire broke out in your high-rise. Fire to siya, ha? So you use fire escape stairs. It's safe to do so.
Wala. Walang sagot dyan.
Walang sagot? May answer.
So, anong gagawin?
Tama ka.
Pag tama yung sagot, anong gagawin yung nakasagot?
Kapag correct po yung sagot, earn one heart token po yung heart token. Apo.
Again po, kapag Q&A po, kung sino lang yung sumagot, siya lang yung may heart. Pero kapag act it out, dalawa po.
Okay.
Then,
Pag hindi nila na-answer correctly, yung person will give one point back.
yes.
Pero pagka naman after count, magbibigay sila ng
Depende.
dalawa.
Opo, may instruction din po sa inyo. Though I think po, I wasn't able to explain yung sa act it out. Pero once you get an act it out card po, may nag-act it out na po. Wala pa. For the act it out po, kung ano po yung, ito pong naka-bold, yun yung clue. So, pwede nyo siyang basahin ng malakas. Then, ito po yung kailangan gawin. Okay? Then again, lahat po 1 minute lang po. Act it out and Q&A. Okay?
Ay, sino na po?
Okay, para ma.
Okay, game. Ikaw na ulit.
Hindi,
Ay, lose one turn
Naka-lose
siya.
po. Siya na ulit. Ay, ano ko na to?
Alay na.
Pwede na.
Three. Ay, dalawa lang. Dalawa.
1, 2. You learned about different ways of communicating with the rescue team during a landslide as part of a drill. Draw one knowledge.
So, ang magdodraw ikaw.
Ako sasagot.
Ang left yung mag-draw. Ako, yes.
Ako yung
Siya yung
Q&A
sasagot.
siya.
Q&A din. What occurs when pressure from gases within the molten rock of a volcano becomes too great?
Two.
Too great.
Too great.
A. Eruption. B. Tectonic movement. C.
Ulit na yung choice.
Eruption. Tectonic eruption.
Tama. So, yung another heart token.
Ano nakalagay? Heart. One heart. Congratulations! Sa pwede natin yung
Okay. Nagigets ko na yung ano.
Blacksmith.
Ano yun?
Ano yun lang po?
Nagbabato lang siya doon.
Wala na. Parang ayungit yung 6 months.
Ay, hindi yan.
Dapat.
Wala.
Exit.
Ako pa.
Wala.
6 yung binulol ko. 1 ang binulol.
Lahat tayo eh.
Ay, ito.
Ano ba to? Singular ba?
Choose a player to switch your position with. Regular weather update from official sources have been surviving an extremely severe typhoon.
Kami lang yung
Switch ang
Makikipag-switch ka daw ng ano, so piliin mo yung mas malayo. Ay, ito pinakamalayo. Ay, bakit optional ba yun?
choose a player to switch your position
You have to
with.
switch. Switch nila. Okay na.
Wala naman daw May.
Swerte ka.
Balik sa good.
Okay, dali. Ikaw na.
Sino kasi? Ay,
Ikaw na.
Ang dami dyan.
Ito namin ng 6. 4.
Wala.
Kakarto na sa bayan. Ay, ito pala ako.
Palit na kayo.
Palit na tayo.
Ay,
Change na.
buti na lang. True or false? Typhoon kaya Haiyan. was one of the most devastating storm surges in the Philippines. Hindi ko pa binasa, alam ko lang. Earn one heart.
Earn one heart.
Inagrihan lang kita yung binasa kung tama mo siya or mali.
Oh my God.
Please say.
Naka-4 ka ngayon.
1, 2, 3, 4. Say.
Saan na ba ako? I'm safe. Sino to, Fred? Umalis ka dyan, Fred. Kami tayo.
Kami tayo.
Go back to Pakibasa po guys. Go back to spaces. Water accumulated in your house after a landslide because the drainage was clogged with plastic bags. Go back to spaces.
Go
One, two. So dito siya napunta.
No na.
Kasi consequences lang.
Kasi hindi ka naman nag-landlord.
Okay, game.
Capacity.
Good capacity.
Despite being warned, you re-entered the damaged building immediately
Kaya alam na
after.
natin yung
Response
Pasaway.
card.
Ano daw?
So, 6 na lang po yung magiging response card.
Ay, ano gagawin?
Discard po. Magbibili ka po kung ano yung gusto yung discard.
Yung pinaka-pangit, hindi, yung maraming kapareho.
Pwede pa rin naman siya mag-ano.
Ano ba yung pinalakaw?
Hindi, pinalagay ko na sa ilalim. Ikaw na, roll the dice habang namimili pa siya.
Nabalik
Usog na tayo. 3. Paano na siya?
Sana po. 6
Wala na, 6 ka na lang. Hindi ma-replena.
Sana may capacity po na draw another card.
You evacuated immediately after an alert level 3 for the landslide. Gain 1 heart token. Patingin nga!
Bakit ka nag-gain nung ginawa mo?
Regain nga siya.
Nag-evacuate daw siya agad.
Tingin mo siya yung dito. Sige po. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa po. 1, 2, 3. Thank you po. This is happy.
Disaster!
Saan nangyari sa'yo? Anong
Heat wave. The partial heat index was at 27 to 32 degrees centigrade. Fatigue is possible with prolonged exposure and activity. Continuing activity can lead to heat cramp. Ako lang. So, I will wear loose-fitting, lightweight, light-colored clothes.
Halagay ako ng disaster.
My turn. 1, 2. Please be good. You alerted the rescue team about people carrying underneath the
Hero na naman.
Marites eh.
Meron pa dun sa ilalim. Yay! 4. Sana nga ba ako? Oo nga eh.
Nice again.
Oh, may bonus. Nice. Napunta na lahat.
Ay, wala na.
Wala na.
Kasi ko na lang.
Okay.
Ikaw ulit.
Basta anything additional, wala.
Ay, ako yung naman.
Original Latin.
3, 4, 5.
Ayan, papasay
Ay, sa capacity. Lose 1 turn na. Ano ba
Bakit
yan?
ka na lose one
Ganun
turn?
mo nga yung
Basahin mo lagi.
You feel dizzy while playing under the sun at midday with a temperature of 47 degrees.
Pasaway. Pasaway kasi nasa labas.
Hindi nakinig sa nanay.
Kami, ang goal natin, makasitay lahat.
Disaster.
Ikaw lang yan.
Personal disaster.
Pandemic, phase 5. A virus has caused sustained community level outbreaks in 2 or more countries in one WHO region. Oh,
Meron kang
Phase 5 yan.
meron.
Yay!
If someone in your household or neighborhood becomes infected, help them contact the local or national
May
health
phase
line.
5?
Up.
Alright. 1, 2,
3 to 6.
Ito pa ba yung emergency hotline na? Wala na.
Kung may sumasagot pa ba?
Ay, bakit naman ganun din siya?
Sa response.
Okay lang. Para
Yun kasi maano.
Ano na pala mo ulit?
Oh, there. You have Make it 6.
Para makabuksan ka na. Dali, 6. Wala. Kasi optional lang. Ayan, disaster ka.
Right.
Then, phase 3 naman.
Meron na pa. An animal or human-animal influenza virus has caused small clusters of disease in people but has not resulted in human-to-human transmission to sustain a large outbreak. So phase 3 siya. Response ko, avoid going to crowded, fully ventilated.
One, two, three, four, five.
Ay, roll again.
Please refill again.
Habol.
1, 2, disaster. 1, 2, ay, hindi na pala. Kasi ano lang.
Lahat.
Everybody, anong disaster na? Post pandemic.
Ang taas.
It appears to be decreasing, however, in this uncertain if additional way will occur and prepare for the second.
7.
Wala akong ganun. Ay, hindi.
Wala. Panay apo yung nilalabanan ko.
Ito na ito.
Pwede to.
Ay, hindi po. 1 to 4 lang
Ay,
yan.
1 to 4. Sabi ko.
Ay, ikaw, saan ka ba dito?
Ito, 1 to 8.
Lahat. Okay, so mine is check yourself and others for injuries and notified police.
Ito, pwede to. 8. Great family disaster plan that includes accessing the resources and precautions and guidelines.
When carrying sneezing, cover your mouth and nose and you should dispose of your immediately after you leave.
Ay, paano yun? Wala kami.
Meron ka? Save kita.
Ay, go!
Hindi, siya muna.
Ay, siya.
Kasi
I'll save my time. Clean your hands frequently with soap and water. So, save na ako. Sino
Ikaw hindi. Ako hindi. Siya wala siya.
wala kaming dalawa.
Dalawa wala. Hindi ka na lang to.
save sila niya?
Left ikaw. Tapos siya.
Ano daw siya?
Keep a stock of necessary medications such as vitamin or medicines for fever, para mas
Na-save niya ako kailangan. Ay,
Stay informed about disasters and advisories through radio, TV, or newspapers. Listen to official sources and share updates with others.
Tapos magdodraw na card.
Let's get response.
Tapos,
We will get it. Kasi,
Tapos may hero ka pa ulit. Ikaw may hero ka din.
I'll get it. Kasi,
nawalan ako nung gano'n.
ano to? Ano to?
ay, go, hurricane.
Yeah. Or
Hindi ba yung now?
Sino na po?
Ano yan? Parang
baka cyclone.
Ay, hindi.
Tornado.
Ay, looks one turn ako.
One, two, three.
Doon ka sa out.
Sana positive. You heard unusual sounds of trees breaking and alerted all your family members. 3 steps ahead. Uy, wala yan.
Ay, siya kaya. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, lahat.
Yung disaster natin. Heat wave.
Heat wave 3. Heat cramps and the heat exhaustion are likely. Heat stroke is probable. With continued exposure.
Oh, wala ka.
Wala din. Isa lang sa akin.
Wala na naman ako.
Check on animals frequently to ensure that they are not suffering from heat. Ensure they have water.
So 1.
Wala.
Ikaw ba meron ka? Wala din.
Ito kaya?
Yan.
Yan.
Pwede to?
Yes.
yun.
Ano sabi?
When going out, carry waters and glasses or umbrellas over your head and sunscreen.
Slow down and avoid strenuous activities that cannot be avoided during the cooler parts of the day. I will save you. Keep your house cool by using curtains during the day.
Wala na. Sikat.
Meron pa kayo? Ito!
Sisave
Save ko siya.
Wala din.
Hindi, ikaw ang magsisave sa kanya.
O, sinave ko na siya.
Ako yung sinave mo.
O, di ako
Tapos, hindi kita kayang isave, isasave ka niya.
Pero wala siya. Wala
na.
So,
Wala
ako
na
yung
sa kanya na.
Are you sure? I'm so
Check on elderly family members, young children, and people with medical conditions who may be more vulnerable to health-related illnesses.
Check on older.
Wala na ako eh. Yes, wala.
Meron ka pa?
Meron ka pa?
Ano dito? Ito. Regular consumption of water if not thirsty. Use
Di ba kahit nakailang
water.
Alam mo, ito yung dinner tube siya. Nasawi!
What happened, Bella?
What happened there?
Sana na. Ay, sinukuha na tayo. Kuha ako ng tatlo. Ako, tatlo.
Yeah. Bunot.
Sige, sa.
Ay, yung mga kulang.
Tatlo sa'yo. Dalawa sa'yo.
Thank you for saving us.
Thank you po.
1, 2, 3, Ina!
Asa na yung guys? Bulag.
3.
Ay, di pa bulag. Ano yun?
Basa ulit.
Ito.
Sign mo.
Q&A. Yes. Multiple choice. What can cause more damage to an already damaged building following an earthquake? A. Mini shock. B. Semi-shock. C. Aftershock. C. Aftershock. Correct.
Wow.
Earn one heart token. Heart token.
Kami ako buhay Malapit na ako maging cat.
Ako lang na. Nung pumunta ka na sa Safe Friend,
Five.
gusto namin ko ba yan?
Oo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ayan.
Isa pa.
Bawi daw, babawi. 6 ka, 6. 3. Pwede na yan.
1, 2, 3.
Naku po.
Wala na, mahal. 5.
Uy, malapit na siya.
5. Ikaw magbabasa.
Ito na lang, multiple choice. Breakable items such as glass or inflammable objects should be kept in blank to prevent damage during an earthquake. Letter A, close, open closet. Letter B, tap, open closet. Letter C, low, close closet. D, tap, close closet.
C.
Correct!
Kaso delikado sa mga bata.
Hindi, dapat nakalaki
Nakalaki daw eh. Nakakalaki.
Closed lang. Pero
Close
hindi
lang.
lock.
Oo, dapat lang.
Anong gagawin?
You earn one heart. Heart daw siya, heart. Bigyan mo ng buhay yan.
Thank you po. Ikaw na.
Paano ba pag naman? Ako, yung lahat.
Emergency is
Yung mga apoy.
Disaster natin.
May apoy din ako.
Red rainfall warning.
rainfall.
Right.
5 levels.
Kaya ko na. Yung mainit pala. Mauna na ako. Be extremely cautious when entering buildings and homes, as there may be unseen damage. Check for damage in electric goods, water, and sewage lines.
Avoid going near beaches, shorelines, and other coastal areas.
Avoid driving to flood water flooded areas. Protect yourself with protective gear
Ito, keep
like
your electric-powered items stored in higher areas. Refrain from using them during a flood.
Yan ako naman. Evacuate if advised to do so. Head to designated shelters.
Lahat na
Wala
lang.
yung sa Naku, fire na to.
May landslide sa akin.
Hindi pa nakaswerte. 6 na naman siya. 4, 5, 6. Ito.
Go back to space. You ignored your friend experiencing very high body temperature. Too much sweating and very high.
2.
Huwag ka
Hindi mo binigyan. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Kala ko nag-exercise lang siya.
1, 2.
Personal.
Pandemic, number 4.
Pero
Okay, basa.
I need a hero. Phase 3, 4 pala.
Hindi yata pwedeng mag-respond dyan.
Transmission. Hindi, baka wala. Pwede.
Ano lang?
Ano na ako sa akin? Ito na yung ating facility.
Pag personal disaster ka, pwede mag-respond. I mean, pwede siya tulong.
Yes, the first person will have the opportunity to save. Practice
Pwede siya. Pwede ba to?
Anong intensi? Ay, ano?
Mali.
Hindi mo. Meron ako.
Ano yan? Anong figure?
Siya muna.
Ako, ito, clean and disinfect surfaces regularly, particularly those that are frequently touched.
Yun. Oo.
Tapos meron siyang ganito art. Hero. Okay, tapos kuha ka ng gano'n. Always save muna. Pagka hindi natin masave, saka tayo mawawala.
And here's the
Okay,
love
game.
places kanina. So I think that's a good
Who's na? Yours.
na po.
Ay, ako na.
sabi ko sana close to the end.
1. Sino na yung ng goal? Ano to? Knowledge. Ay, ikaw magbabasa.
Act na yan.
Na, kanina pa
Ano?
Totoo na?
Get na, goal forward.
Do not do this during and after earthquake level 4 to 10.
Ayan, na.
Wait lang ah.
Naku, nagtanggal pa ng
1 minute.
Ay, wala pala akong seconds.
Starts now.
Ano yung sinabi?
Do not do this.
Do not do this.
During,
Earthquakes 4 to 10.
Yes.
go out. Barefoot.
Yes.
Oh!
Walk around barefoot.
Go out. Barefoot.
Talaga na nangyayari?
Ang mangyayari ay
Heart.
both earn 1 heart token.
Oh, kayong dalawa. Yes, may additional heart siya.
Wala na po sana talaga.
Yung hero natin. Sino nang next?
Ako na po.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Malapit na siya.
Pag sumobra, babalik mo.
Your friend refused to meet you since one of her family members got the pandemic illness. Give 1 heart token to a friend.
Put 1 heart token to a friend. Next. Go na. Wow. 6. Iwang-wang na naman.
Lahat yan.
Earthquake. Intensity 7 destruction. Floors becomes difficult and furniture may overturn or topple. So all poorly built structure are considered damaged.
Marami ako.
7.
Wala ako.
Meron ako.
May apoy sa akin.
Meron ako dalawa.
Sige, yung una muna.
Okay, ako muna. Emergency communication plan. Kita plan. To reunite with your family members during evacuation and desperation. A contact person with details shared among others. It's mine.
Ako meron. Do not stay, re-enter, or go near badly damaged building or structures. Check for structural damages in the building or damaged water, gas lines, electric lines, and fire.
Ayan sa akin. Secure shelves to the walls, place breakable objects in a low lock cabinet. Hang heavy items away from beds or on the floor. So they do not fall. Alright.
Can you say
Ikaw. Meron pa ako.
I can say stay inside until the shaking stops and it is safe to go outdoors. Use doorway only if it is in close proximity and supported strongly. Do not use any windows.
Meron pa ako isa.
Meron ka pa, wala.
May isa pa pala.
Sa same
Meron pa ako isa. Avoid using matches, candles, or any flammable materials, broken glass, lines, and fires are hazardous.
Sabi sa inyo, ito yung meron pa pa?
Ito, ako naman. Emergency supply kits, stock essentials like first aid, medicines, food, water, matches.
Tanong na natin, wait lang, hold on. Question.
Yes,
So, wala kang tatlo. Silang tatlo. Wait lang. Sinave niya.
Pwede na kasi other.
Pwede na ako. Basta may extra pa rin po siya.
Meron pa siya. Ay, ano?
Meron ka ba?
Meron pa isa. Meron dalawa. Ako na muna.
Kung sino mauuna? Left word.
Kasi tayo left.
Kasi pa left. Okay.
Hanggang sa makarating siya.
Meron pa when outdoors, avoid street lights, trees, walls, slopes, bridges. Yay!
Sabi sa inyo, machuchugi bells to.
Hero ko eh.
Sino na yung
Tapos, kuha ng
Okay.
Tatlo sa'yo.
5, 6, 7.
Dalawa sa'yo.
1, 2, 3.
Sino ba yung napunta doon? Sino na? Ikaw. So, you're...
Ay, ang magbabasa.
Hindi, capacity.
Disaster talk.
Knowledge din.
Uy, please don't be Q&A. Multiple choice. What do you call your famous
Dorman.
First one is my turn. Here's your card.
Asan na po?
Hi, here.
Ito.
Knowledge.
Knowledge pa lang. Siya ang magbabasa.
Act daw yan.
True or false? In a pandemic, disease spreads when an infected person coughs repeatedly in a social gathering without properly covering his mouth. True. Earn one card. Ako na na.
Yes.
Ano yan? Out? Stay ka na dyan.
Ayan na, abol na si Red.
Go, Red.
4.
Hindi mo pagka-hero mo. Pagod ka.
Iwan ka namin.
Kanina ka pa
Move one step forward or one step forward.
Sabi ano ba?
Wala, wala.
Pero, ay, wala na naman.
Basa, basa.
To find all the necessary medications in the emergency. May ganun pa.
Ha? 4.
So, doon ka. 1, 2, 3.
Paano pag
Ma'am,
natin?
paano kapag sumobra nandito na?
Okay lang naman po.
Safe na siya.
So once po naka-reach ka na ng safe zone, you'll gain another heart token as a reward. Then yung mga response card na hawak po ninyo, you can keep them. Para in any case na meron mga players na walang response card, you can still use them.
Para maka-earn ng mga token.
Yes, pero hindi mo na siya i-replenish. So, ubusin mo na lang yung response card.
You can be a hero. Ikaw na.
Pero every time ba isisave niya kami, bibigyan na namin ulit siya ng star?
Yes.
Save us, save us. Fire.
Safe.
Save ka na.
Yes, naka-safe na rin. Ako yung pinakalas ng
Hero na kami.
So,
Sabi ko sa inyo, everyone.
Disaster.
So safe na kayo.
Wala. Wala na. Ay, meron.
What is it?
Alert level 2, increasing unrest. Noticeable acceleration in ground movement in Alaska.
Landslide pala ito.
Preparation for possible evacuation and implementation of mitigation measures recommended. That's like
Ito, meron ako.
Check for landslide signs.
Meron ako.
Cracks in walls, floors, ground.
Tayo hindi na.
Be aware of your surroundings and report observation of potential hazards.
1, 2, 3, no? Ito.
One to pinakamababaw mo. Yan.
Make arrangements for pets and livestock such as taking them with you. Yan.
Tapos, in case a landslide is suspected or warned about, immediately evacuate to a safer space, such as an open ground, inform and help evacuate neighbors who got.
Draw.
One,
Ay, dun ka!
Ay, ganun ba yun? Nagpapasok ko
May meeting na po.
Oh my God, ako ito. Ayoko na.
careful.
Alert level 1 na northbound. Ito ba yan?
Landslide.
Landslide.
Initial signs
Ay, siya lang pala lang.
I can't save you this time, my friends. Stay away from known landslide prone areas, especially heavy rainfall which can trigger landslide. Yeah, ikukuha mo. Ayun.
Mahaba from snow.
Meron pala doon na
1, 2, 3, 4. Isa ba?
Babalik na po yan.
4 ulit.
Ay, bumalik. Oh, ay, wala
balik
na.
nga pala yun. Ano pala?
Members.
Okay.
Alright.
Ingat po.
Wala na akong pang-iingatan ko.
Asan ka?
Standing outdoors is even difficult. Mountainous and hilly areas
Meron tayo.
experience landslides and structures. And
Very destructive.
if you're at school, follow the emergency plan.
Si Franz doon ang gusto. Sabi niya, I'm leaving. Doon sa dulo.
Emergency!
Sumunod kayo. Medical depression 1. There is minimal to minor threat to life.
iPhone, meron ako isa.
Dispose of heavy objects to breathing ground.
Yun yun, diba?
Secure the objects and objects.
Ayan, emergency hotline.
Kailangan ko isa.
Wala na akong iPhone. Ayan, sa inyo. Wala na akong iPhone.
Wala dito.
Ako meron. Monitor and progress. Update yourself with the progress.
Diyan kayo makakaipon kasi you just need to.
Eh,
Pinatagal pa niya.
Ito pa.
2, 4. Ay, nga kulang pa ako. Ay, hindi. Ako pa pala. Ano ba? Sino na ba?
Sino yung kanina?
Siya.
Ikaw. Ikaw yung... Ikaw to, di ba?
Tama pa.
Ayoko na kasi.
ikaw na.
Ikaw na.
Ay, green.
Bye-bye.
Ano ba? Gusto niyo yung aking green?
Isa
pa.
Isa pa. Yan.
Sobrang takot. Ayaw na. Orange ring ko. Ay, wala.
Blood number 4.
Ay, meron.
Ay, wala ako.
Madami
Oh, please
sila.
save me.
Wala na ako.
Ako meron. Personal. Ay, sige. Ito po, emergency supply kits, stock essential like first aid, medicine, food, water.
Okay.
So, mababawasan tayo.
Paano yung iba? Wala ka na for that?
Ay, meron pa. Oh.
Alin?
Ay,
Ay, ako pa. Wala.
Sa'yo next.
Ako.
Ito pa. If you find any serious injured person, inform the rescue team. Do not rush.
Ano pa din?
Wala ka na.
Dami kong fire eh.
Wala na. Okay, next.
Landslide pa to.
One.
Yung heat wave.
Ano yun? One. Ano siya? Disaster. Wait, meron na naman. Disaster.
Ako'y naman dyan.
May fire nga.
Yay!
Class D.
Ito. Place fire extinguisher in key areas in your home.
Ito meron ako.
Class D ba yan?
To extinguish a fire, use appropriate extinguisher for the particular class of fire.
Never use water.
Sige, basahin.
At follow the task. And then method to use a fire extinguisher using a fire.
May class.
Ikaw na.
Uy, 6 naman yung dice ko.
Oh, your personal disaster.
Or typhoon lang naman. Wind threat, 118 to 184. Warning lead time, 12 hours. There is significant to severe threat to life and property. Hindi pa rin. Typhoon, signal number 4.
Wala akong typhoon.
Wala akong typhoon.
Okay. Check yourself and others for injuries. Provide first aid to anyone who needs it.
Magpaka-hero ka na lang, friend.
Nakakatawa na sa unahan ako. Wala na!
Ayan, mag-a-act na si ano? Mag-a-act na si Oz.
One of your 4 volcanoes that erupted within the
Ano yung potential ng wait lang. Inactive. 600. 600 years. Inactive.
Incorrect. Discard one response. Anong tama? Ano tama?
Potential. Active pa yun.
More than 300 years na? Talaga? They have not erupted but they are active. Yes. Kasi pag walang activity, ito yung giniba.
Dormant ka dapat.
Sa 6 ka na lang.
Elementary dormant ka.
Dormant na. Kasi ko wala sa loob.
Safe ka na.
Maraming chance.
So, dalawa sa na lang.
Oo, kasi tatlo na lang kayo.
1, 2, 3, 4. Disaster. Class
Yan.
5.
Apoy.
Tulungan ka niya.
Fire. Ito.
Daming pangdaran ako.
If you hear the fire alarm, leave the building using the nearest available exit and avoid using elevator.
Class B fires involving flammable liquids and
Chemicals yata. 3. Pandemic phase 2. Ayun, an animal influenza virus circulating in domesticated or wild animals is known to have caused infection in humans and therefore considered specific potential pandemic. Clean your hands frequently.
Pandemic 6. Virus has caused sustained community level outbreak. WHO region level siya. Get yourself vaccinated.
talaga pag phase 6.
Ako na?
Ikaw na, dali. Go.
4.
Kasi 6 na.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Vaccinate.
Lose 1 turn na naman.
Talaga to.
Ano ba ginawa mo?
Ayan na. Ayos sa.
Ay.
Wait lang, yung lose 1 turn dito. No? Magalaw pala.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Disaster friend. Ano gusto natin?
Rainfall.
Rainfall. Wala akong rain.
Baha.
Save me.
Ito. Ay, wait, ito. 1, 2, 5.
Yeah, one lang.
Create a family disaster plan.
2.5 millimeters of rain per hour, unlikely to cause legal flooding.
Wala akong turn.
Ikaw ulit.
Oo.
1, 2, 3, Inalda!
Bumabog!
Sabi mo nadali.
Ikaw mo nadali.
3.
Ayan, lapit yan yung pareho.
Ano yan? Be kind, please. Be good. Gain 1 heart. You found a backpack filled with food and water and share them with your friends. Your turn.
Ako na. Ay, dalawa na lang pala to.
Oh, dalawa na lang isang to. So,
Dito ka, pamagulo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Disaster. Fire.
Fire.
5.
Seed.
Ito. Stay informed about disasters and advisories through radio, television, newspaper, news and official sources.
Reroll, hindi pa tapos yung turn.
Class C, fires involving energized electrical systems. Ayan, alam mo.
So, chemical energy.
asan ako kanina? Hindi, capacity ako.
Nandito ka.
Nandito ka kasi nag-give ka na. Capacity pa ako.
Go.
Ano nangyari sa'yo?
Yun, ito na lang. Let's do 2. Let's do 2, not 6. 2 is fine.
2, 4.
Yan, earthquake is 56.
Wala. Same. Intensity 6 na earthquake.
Ito.
Tututuloy lang ako. Ay,
Ayan
baka wala ka
if
na.
you are in a car, stop the car and stay
Ayan.
inside.
Hindi, dapat save mo muna yung sarili.
Hindi.
Sabi sa'yo,
Oo. Ikaw na.
mahiro ka.
Halika na. Safe zone na lang tayo.
3, 1. Oh,
Safe
safe
ka
lang.
na. Ikaw na mag-isa.
Babalik siya doon. Ayan, mag-act talaga si Onse.
Hindi pa nalampasan.
Marami naman akong heart.
What can help mitigate the effects of heat waves? A. Building more roads. B. Increasing air travel. C. Planting
trees.
Why not planting trees? Earn 1 heart.
Ayoko na ng heart. Gusto ko na maging safe. Please, just not 2. Ayan, sige na ba? Gusto ko na lang din. Typhoon. Wala. Save me. O, dali, bibigyan ko kayo ng ano. Ang dami nyo, di ba kayo? Save nyo.
iPhone 3.
Typhoon 3.
Ako na lang mag-isa na lose.
Ayan na, wala na.
Ayan. Dahil ni ano, Tin? Ay, alam mo lang ang dinaanan ko.
Oh, so yung mga hearts, every 3 can be exchanged for a star.
So, ito.
Isa-isa. Return your heart.
Ito, isang star lang. Tatlong na.
Return the hearts.
3, ay 2 stars.
1 star lang.
2.
Return the heart. Ilan sa'yo? Bigyan ka na.
Picture tayo.
Dali, akin na yung heart mo.
Ito, wala na.
Who won?
Dalawa lang pala yung sa'yo.
Oh, dalawa sa akin. Kasi parang ayaw yung sa akin.
Laging dalawa. Okay, dali.
Who won?
Mag-selfie tayo. 6. Wow. 6 din. 5, 5. 6.
Picture.
Ilan sa'yo? 4. Sino nanalo sa atin? 6. Uy, nag-ano pa kayo?
Thank you.
Congratulations.
This is fun. Excited ako dito.
So what's the price?
Excuse me. What's our prize?
What's our price?
Wala.
Prize?
Sila yung
Let's talk to
nanalo.
Abby for the prize.
What's the price?
Who won? Dalawa.
Sa
Six
how
kasi
sila.
Six.
5 kami.
Pero sino pa yung may card?
Siya talaga. Siya yung second.
Master of disaster.
Top ng hero.
Oh, top hero ka.
You get a
You
t-shirt.
get a t-shirt. Extra large.
In-announce
Pwede mo
agad.
nang ikumon. Sa disaster.
We have to count all the heroes. Sila yung pinaka-top. I-rank mo.
Ay, yung heroes tayo na chubi.
Ah, you mean so ilan nila yung
Ako 4.
Tanda mo, tanda mo
So you rank that in
Ilan yung heroes per person na
And then kung sino yung let's say top 4. I have 5 people. Sa akin pa rin. Sa akin pa rin yung star ko.
O yan, 5 ka. Baka na yung masama ka sa
Ako 6 then 1 heart. Ikaw po. 6 heart.
Ano to? Oh. Ganito talaga to?
Oo nga, ba't naghiwalay?
Yan po. Sira natin, guys.
Some people kasi.
Galing.
This was your lucky.
Diba? Yung pa-hero ni Kaya nga.
Napakinabaw.
Pa-hero ka. Ano ka? May extra large kang t-shirt.
Paano na yun? Red sheet.
May 2XL kang shirt. Si Abby ayaw ng payat.